Hello, this is Duncan with Viwinco Windows. Today we're going to do a how-to video on how to remove and replace a sash for a 2-light Viwinco slider window. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the sash stop that's in the corner of the window. That's going to allow your sash to slide all the way over and bypass the track that's in the head of the window, and that will allow the sash to pop up, lift up, so that you can pull it out. So we'll go ahead and remove that and just sit that to the side. You're going to want to unlock your sash, and then you'll slide that all the way over. So what you'll see is you'll look into the head of the window, and there's going to be a track that you just want to make sure the sash slides past that so you can lift it up. All right, and then at that point you can come over here and then pull the sash out, and then you're good. And then you can take that one away, bring the new one in, or if you're just using this to clean, so then you can bring it in. And then all you do is just slide it back into the head of the front window, slide it down, and you're good. Then you want to just make sure you put that sash stop back in there. That's going to keep your locks from banging onto the rail of the opposite sash there. And that's how to remove and reinstall a sash on a 2-light slider.